Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Self Care Apparel, back with another video. Period. Today, mm, I always let electronics around me, but um, today's video, I want to talk to y'all about. Okay, had to pause, my friend. But today's video, we're talking about Oh yeah, I should have wrote this down. Uh, I want to do like a journey series on how to quit a 9 to 5 job, how to trust into yourself and faith, and how to go about it the right way instead of the wrong way. That's what this video is about. Um, this is gonna touch base on a lot of stuff. Like right now, I'm in the predicament where I'm about to start my journey, but I want not a little more time, but I want to at least feel it one good time. And then once I feel it one good time, I'm going to set in stone. I'm going to find ways to manage my money until then. Um, okay, we're back. Okay. I'm going to find ways to manage my money so I can and I will be able to support myself further in my business because that's where most of my money is going. Funding into my business is another reason why I don't want to like just up and leave yet because I am funding my business through my work check. Um, but will I be working all my life through a 9 to 5 job? No. Um, so yeah, I want to talk to y'all about that. Little updates on my business. We are now on mystery bags. I will have the mystery bags until they're all gone. I do have shirts for my V-Day collection, and I have shirts for my Mean collection. So I have a lot of products on my website that y'all can go shop and yeah, go shop and just like explore my website. I am updating my website. I am changing it. I'm changing my logo. This new logo, I am so in love, and I think I'm gonna keep it um, throughout this year. Um, I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna push so hard for YouTube. I'm going to push so hard to marketing YouTube. Get people to come here and watch, girl, because I need a community. I need I need a community. I need a fan base. I need my fam. I need my all right. Ooh, that scared me. So yeah, I'm coming back to YouTube. I want to make my business and YouTube like two things I really want to do and want to create content for and all that stuff. Um, that's that. What else? Um, yeah, so stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna be doing story time about how how much I've been in a 9 to 5, the trials and tribulations, the attitudes, the energy into it. I'm gonna talk about all that in the next video, and I will see y'all, like I said, in the next video. Bye.